Miss Yellow, what's wrong? What's wrong, huh? Are you cold? Oh, come back here with the rest of them. They're all in their little corner where they like to curl up. There's Mr. Green getting Miss Red. They're all coming to get her. There's Miss Pink. Hi, Miss Pink. Hi, Miss Pink. Hey, hey. No, no. Be nice. Be nice, Mr. Green. Be nice. You can't eat her. Miss Orange is getting Mr. Rick. Rick's gonna eat her head. Look at her little tail. Are you getting her, Rick, huh? Oh, you guys came back up on the snow. Hi, Miss Blue. Hi, Miss Yellow. Oh, you fell over. She's not happy. You can cuddle with me. Now Mr. Green is getting Rick. Hi, Miss Red.